we are getting prepared and we are getting our own people to in the field of chess, all the disables from Goa. The third edition of Purple Festival starts from 9th and 11th, 12th. And before that there are pre-events, pre-festival events, and one of the most exciting pre-festival event is again wheelchair cricket and blind cricket, and to complement with that we have a women's blind cricket tournament, two tournaments which are being played in Fonda, and we have an association with Dr. Ketan Bhatikar, who is taking keen interest for last two Purple Fest. He has given his best for organizing and associated with this 28th to 3rd and 4th till the end of 12th of October, Purple Fest. This is going to be a most exciting tournament because it starts morning at 9 and it ends up in the floodlight at midnight or 1 p.m. So this is going to be a bonanza for the Fonda and for the Goans to see the performances, our very exciting players who will come down from all across the country, and some of them may come from internationally.
27 तारखेच्यान आमची ब्लाइंड क्रिकेट चालू जातली. ताज्या पयलीं 3 दीस क्रिकेटची प्रॅक्टिस आसतली. सो हांव संपूर्ण गोंयकारांक हांगा येवन ब्लाइंड क्रिकेटीक तांकां आमकां सपोर्ट करचो, कारण ऑलमोस्ट 4 टिमी येतात ज्यो 2 तारीख पर्यंत चलतल्यो, आणि परत आमी व्हीलचेअर क्रिकेट चालू जातली. 12 टिमी आमी व्हीलचेअराचे हांगा हाडल्या, आणि ती सकाळी 9 पासून रातची 12-1 पर्यंत चलतली अंडर फ्लडलाइट्स. नोबडी इज विथ बॉर्न डिसेबिलिटी. एव्हरीवन नीड्स मोटिवेशन, अँड फ्रँकली स्पीकिंग तुम्ही आमच्या खातीर मोटिवेशन, आमी तुमच्या खातीर न्ही.